Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video on the PLouise budget box. This one, I've actually been getting this for about a year now, and this one is the February box. We are now in April. I know it did take a while to arrive. It was held in customs for about 2 weeks. More than normal, especially now we have the iOSS. I did still have to pay this time. Whereas the previous box, which was January, I didn't pay anything, but I did have to pay €6. Excise duty tax it was, where I thought I wouldn't need to pay anything anymore because of the iOSS. €6 is not bad. So this box came to about €53 in total, but we're very skincare heavy in this one. As I've seen sneak peeks, I'm very curious to see what scents I've got in here, and I'm very excited to be trying more skincare from PLouise. So without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing and go from there. The first thing I see are these little trio lip oils, and a lot of people were not happy about lip oils being in the budget box again this month, because last month we did have a trio set of lip oils. The only difference is that one, last month we did have the color range, so the colors were pink, purple, and if I'm not mistaken, I have to get them out because I can't remember. I think there was a clear one, but they were more colorful, whereas this one of this month is more neutral. So if you like nudes, this is the one to go for. And also these ones are the glitter ones, so you don't find these in the Bad Bee. I currently actually have the peach lip oil, which I love, over a Kylie, is it Kylie lip liner? I think it's a Kylie, no, it's not a Kylie lip liner, it's actually a PLouise lip liner. Oh, I got wrong. No Secrets. So that's what I currently have on today. So I have No Secrets and the peach lip oil on. That's just what I've got on today. But this one's called It's Giving Princess. So it literally reminds me of Hello Empire, the PLouise Empire, and that's that. And the colors are Spoiled Sparkle, Crystal Queen, and Tiara Topaz. So let's open them up and see. Let's grab them all. So these, so yes, you can see they're all neutral colors at the bottom. Very neutral shades. Let's grab Crystal Queen and G swatches. Again, pineapple scented, so they're the same scent as last month. So this one, in my opinion, would be clear with hollow glitter. We then have Spoiled Queen. So again, this one looks like it's got a bit more color to it, but it's very light. So I would go with like a rose gold color. You can see that they've got a little bit of a hue tint. So the second one there, so this one I would go with like a peachy rose gold kind of color, and then the glitter is very like colorful. That's the way I'm gonna kind of describe it. And the last one is Tiara Topaz. This is probably a slightly darker shade, as you can see. Yes, you can see the color has slightly changed. We've got a more caramelized kind of color. I think this one has pink glitter in it, so you can see the difference in colors. So those are the colors there. As you can see, I actually opened them from light to dark. So we have Crystal Queen on the top, which is that one there. We then have Spoiled Sparkle, which I would say is the light rose gold, and then following by Tiara Topaz, which is this one right here. And since I have so many glitter lip oils, I have promised my sister that she can choose, and I think she already swatched these, so hopefully she can be able to grab a few of these, because I don't think I'll be wearing all of these myself, and she's more of the glitter person. So I'm going to stay with anything makeup related before we go into the skincare. So the next ones are lashes, and if I'm not mistaken, we did get lashes in the last box. I think they're trying to like promote their lashes. These ones actually have a very nice black band, and we have Gaze for Days, which is this gorgeous set, and then we have One Last Love, which is this one. And if I'm not mistaken, they actually added their mini lash glue, which they've just launched, and they launched a pink lash glue. Yes, it's at the back. So they do come with lash glue. I'm not sure if they all come with lash glue, but these do. And their newest lash glue, I think it is pink but dries clear, and I'm dying to try it because I always like trying new lash glue, and if I'm not mistaken it is also latex free. Don't quote me because I can't remember, but I think that's it. But you do get random 2 lashes in your box, and they're reusable up to 20 times if you take care of them. So bonus for me because I love lashes. Next is skincare. We have 4 products in this range, and for me it's already a winner because we've already got so many products in this box. So we have 4 skincare products, we have 2 lashes and 3 lip oils. So that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products for £30, 47 euros. I think that's a really good price, especially when we don't have to pay customs anymore, unless there's something liquidy, which I think is probably this one. So the first thing I have in my hand is from the PLouise skincare range. It's In Love With Me. Confidence is your skin means confidence within. So wait, what is this? Foaming facial cleanser. Now I'm actually using one of her facial cleansers, the foaming one, from I'm not sure if I got it in a particular box on PLouise or from a budget box. So I'm currently using that. So once that's finished, I really want to try this. This is really cool, guys, because it also has an applicator on the top, and it looks kind of like silicone-y. So basically I'm guessing you pump and you kind of work it in as a cleanser. Again, if you never use a foaming facial cleanser, you can possibly take your makeup off, but I tend to use the cleanser after my makeup has been taken off and then using it to further clean and stuff like that. I would say the little applicator on the top actually helps you with dry, dead skin cells. So that is something extra which I definitely like. And again, PLouise is all about pink. So, and this one is actually in the watermelon scent. If I'm not mistaken, she has a couple of scents from the range, and I think this one is going to be mixed because it's in the budget box, but you can also get the skincare range in any scent that you like on the website. Next thing that I have in front of me is the jelly in watermelon as well, actually. So I've got their jelly makeup remover. So this was very interesting. I'm gonna have to get it out of the packaging because I want to see it in person. So let's get it out of the packaging because we gotta see this jelly makeup remover. We're here for it. The sticker on the top is like a matte texture, which is kind of really cool. I'm just going to show that, guys, because you got to see that. So it's like a matte texture. Then the rest is like glossy as normal. Let's see. So cute. Oh, very messy. Gotta point that out. It's very messy. Is it normally like that though when it's new? I don't know. I haven't actually seen videos, but it's very messy. And this has never been opened. As you can see, I actually took it out of the packaging, so I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to receive it. That's very ick. That's an ick for me, like if it's not properly sealed. But is it because it's jelly? I don't know. Let's try and get it out. So that is what it looks like. Curious to see like the texture. See, for me that doesn't feel like much jelly. That's like, oh well, okay. It's more of, I would still say it's liquid. And remember, I'm from a very hot country. Malta's quite hot at the moment, so I'm not sure if that could be why the consistency is not very gel-like, because it does say jelly, but it doesn't really move. It doesn't budge. So that's interesting, because as you can see, like you can see it looks more liquidy, but it probably is. It's so messy though. I hate messy products. Like, I can't believe I got one that's really messy, but hey ho. Not sure if they all come like this, like, but that's just an ick for me because I don't really like that. I'm so careful at keeping things clean. The color, you can see it's got a pink hue to it. Smells divine, let's be honest. It smells lovely. But again, you can see the consistency. It does feel like gel form when you touch it. It does come on your skin, but obviously it does move like a jelly. Curious to try this, but I definitely need to clean it because we don't like all this mess. But it could be, again, I'm from a hot country, it could have melted a little bit, you know, these things can happen. But I definitely need to clean that. So we do have a moisturizer. Now I actually have 2 moisturizers from PLouise already. So this is another moisturizer. So we have one. Did we get a moisturizer in the January one? I feel like we did get one in the January box. I don't know if it's still in this box, believe it or not. I'm gonna check because now I'm curious. Yes, so we did get a moisturizer in the January box, or is this December box? The pizza might have been the January box. I'm confused. I'm not sure if it's December or January, but this one was called Sauce on the Side. And again, this one's a pump form, so it tends to be a lighter coverage. So that, and then this one is in a pot from the looks of it, and this one is in pineapple. So we have two watermelon, and now this one's in pineapple, and it's a plumping moisturizer. So this is different. So it instantly nourishes and boosts the skin's hydration, soothes and prepares for a youthful looking skin complexion, and suitable for all skin types. So it does say you can use it morning or night, and to apply after eye cream and serum. I wonder if she'll be doing eye cream and serums. I don't know if she's done that before. So let's have a look. I just obviously love the packaging. You can't say no to designers of PLouise. They excel with the packaging. So let's open this baby up. So packaging is the same as the balm. So the matte sticker on the top and the gorgeous design. This one's clean. I don't know why my jelly one is disgusting. Now I'm gonna have to just go on the website and just like see if anyone else got it that disgusting. Oh, it smells so good as well. So that is the consistency. It does look quite thick. It's quite thick. I would probably use this more of a nighttime myself. But it's still light and fluffy, and I feel like it's got like a jelly form, like a gel form, but it's still got that thickness. So it's very good if you have like maybe dry skin, dehydrated skin. This is gonna be really good for you. And the smell, even though it's pineapple, it's very mild. It's not as intense as maybe this one or the lip oils. I feel like it's a really nice subtle scent. So if you're not a big fan of scented moisturizers, this might not be the one for you, but it is subtle. Let's go on to the last product in the box. So the last product in the box is this massive one. Oh, and we have a mango one. I love mango. So this is Make It Melt Makeup Melter. Now I've been seeing this all over their page, and if I'm not mistaken, they were out of stock for a while, and they're back in stock. Just trying to get my nail into it so I can open it, because I'm dying to see what these look. Obviously, we love balms. I've been using the Body Shop balm to take off my makeup, and it just melts on the skin. It dissolves all your makeup, especially if you have like waterproof makeup. It's great. So we got it open. So it's Make It Melt, and it's in mango. And let's just see how you open these. Oh wait, what? That just turned with it, and I don't think that was supposed to come off. Or was it? Try and get it back up. I don't want to lose this. So this is like plasticky, this like packaging, and as I turn it around, it was actually coming off. So anyways, so it comes with a little flap here, because I'm guessing it's oil. Smells amazing. Obviously I opened it now, so I'm gonna have to start using it because it's literally like butter oil. So it's very similar to what I've used before. I love cleansing balms and makeup remover balms, and this is going to remove your makeup so instantly. What we can do is actually like just grab a lip liner on my hand and see if it comes off. Like, honestly, not me loving these things. So lip liner, you can get a bit of my hand, and we love this. There we go. And it cleans your hand, feeling, smelling nice, smells nice. Again, not overpowering, which is what we want with certain things on the skin. Clean packaging, unlike the jelly makeup remover, that was horrible. So we do have two makeup removers actually in this box. So we have two makeup removers, one's jelly form and the melter. I would probably say this is my favorite. This one's basically a mess. We have the cleanser, so that would be good after you do your makeup remover. And then you do also have the moisturizer, which you can do after that. So very good skincare range. If I had to choose a favorite out of everything, I would say it is the Makeup Melt, because I love cleansing balms and makeup balms and anything that removes makeup in a good way. This one, unfortunately, will probably be my worst one out of them all, because I'm not a fan of mess. So I'm very unhappy with this one because it's very messy, but I just have to give it a really good clean and try it. Most intrigued is this product here, which is the foaming facial cleanser. That's the most intrigued out of them all. These I will probably just like give some to my sister, because I have loads of oils from PLouise. I love them so much, but I love giving stuff away, and just, it's always nice to give things to other people as well. And I'm desperately looking forward to trying these ones out. So definitely we should be filming a look or something on YouTube. We have to get back onto YouTube. There was a time which I just loved filming for YouTube, and we're hopefully coming back. Let's see. Hope you guys enjoyed this long video on the budget box from PLouise. This is the February box. Stay tuned for the March one. I'm very excited for that one, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.